Hello everyone, again this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri. This video I'm doing for the first day of Navratri and the goddess related to Navratri. Today the first day and the goddess related to the first day of Navratri is goddess Shailiputri. Now the Shailiputri means the daughter of the mountains, basically it means that. And the crystal that goes with today's day, the first day, and the goddess Shailiputri is moonstone. It looks something like this. Okay, the worship of moon. So you can meditate with the moonstone today, or you can put the moonstone in front of you and do the mantras for goddess Shailiputra. It works usually wonders for today. You can even use pearl. If you have a pearl, you don't have a moonstone, and if you have moti, pearl is moti, you can hold the pearl in your hand and meditate. Okay, and if you have moonstone, nothing like it, you can just hold the moonstone and meditate on the mantras of goddess Shailiputra. If you don't have the mantra of goddess Shailiputri, then also you can hold a moonstone or pearl and just sit in meditation for some time today. It works wonders. The energies are wonderful during Navratri, and whoever does this is always blessed. Also today I am going to do is a tarot card reading for you people, the messages that goddess Shailiputri would like to give all my viewers. So I'm going to do a quick card reading for a message from goddess Shailiputri today, and let's start with the reading. So now, as you can see, there are three orgonites here. One is the blue one, that is lapis. The other one is citrine, and this one is a purplish color, and this is the amethyst. So this is the lapis, this is the citrine, and this is the amethyst. You can choose any one of these orgonites, and I will give a timestamp in my description, so you can just click to whatever you have chosen from this three and then go to your readings directly. So just take a minute and choose any one of this organized to get the message from goddess Shailiputri for you. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove three cards, one for your health, one for your relationship, and one for your career. Let's see what message goddess Shailiputri has for the people who chose lapis. That's the blue color, number one. I'm going to remove three cards. This is going to be your career, this is going to be your relationship, and this is going to be your health. So career, relationship, and your health. Okay, career wise, I see a very good message coming from the goddess. It says that there is a progress coming your way, so be happy and you will be moving forward in whatever career you are having. Where your relationship is concerned, there is a little bit of weight that is showing. Thoda rukna padega. You have to have patience and wait for the relationship that you want, if you are in a relationship, then whatever you're expecting in a relationship will take a little bit of time. But it doesn't say it's a bad relationship, it's a good relationship. And where your health is concerned, health looks also fine. Whatever you were facing before, is you're going to come out of it, and you're going to be health wise very good, and there shouldn't be any problem. Now I am going to go ahead and do the second, that is the citrine. Whoever chose citrine, that's the yellow stone, yellow orgonite. So I'm going to remove three cards for messages for people who have chosen citrine orgonite, the yellow orangish color. Okay, so where your career is concerned, I see that yes, you do have a career right now, but the message from the goddess is saying that whatever career you are in, whatever work you're doing, you are not satisfied in that work. So she is saying to move out of it and find a better work for you. You know, so the guidance that is given from the goddess is get out and look for something better. Where your relationship are concerned, it's a fantastic card. You know, you're blessed with angels and god goddesses and all the energies of the universe with wherever your relationship is. So whatever relationship you are in right now, or if you're not in a relationship, there is a very good relationship coming your way. The relationship will get better, and the blessings of goddesses will be always with you. Where your health is concerned, there is a neglecting that you I mean to say, you are neglecting your health right now somewhere, because you are into the happy mood, a very good mood, but then still there is some things that you are not seeing where health is concerned. The health is good, but there is some hidden truth in that thing that you need to go to the doctor and find out why your health is not getting better. So the goddess's hint to you is, please go to the doctor and get yourself checked if your health is not good, or your health condition has not improved for so long. Now for the people who have chosen the purple orgonite, that is the orgonite, that is the purple, and that is the amethyst of orgonite. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 cards for them. This is the message from goddess Shailputri today for the people whoever have chosen the purple orgonite, that is the amethyst. Okay, let's pull 3 cards for these people. Let's see what the goddess has to give message. Okay, for the people who have chosen the purple orgonite, that is the amethyst, the third one, where your career is concerned, there I see a very great moment ahead, a very fast moment ahead, and a very confident moment ahead. The goddess is giving you a hint that you are moving ahead, your progress is going to show up ahead, but there are chances that due to your ego or due to your know-it-all kind of attitude, you might have problem ahead. But as far as your work is concerned, the card is good. You will be moving forward with all the confidence. Just don't be overconfident. The second card is of a relationship, and goddess Shailputri is here hinting you that where your relationships are concerned, just be very careful where negativity is there. Like, there are a lot of negative people around you that can cause problems in your relationship. So just the goddess is trying to hint you to protect yourself. Where your health is concerned, again, the health seems to be fine. Whatever you were facing in the past, you have come out of it, and it looks much better now. Goddess is telling you that you will be healthy and you will be fine, in the coming days. So your health will remain fine, and whatever you were going through before, where your health is concerned, you have come out of it, and there shouldn't be any problem. With the blessings of goddess, your health is going to be perfect. Just you have to be little careful where your relationships are concerned. So this were a quick reading for today from goddess Shailputri. Tomorrow I will be coming for the second day of Navratri and doing a reading for the second day of Navratri for career, relationship, and health, and see what the goddess has to tell you or guide you about it. But like I told you always, this moonstone is related to the first day of Navratri, so you can meditate. If you don't have moonstone, or you can even do clear quartz. So clear quartz shouldn't be a problem because it's transparent and looks like a moon, or you can do a pearl. So this crystals you can take and meditate for yourself today, or do any mantra on this. The mantras for today, Navratri first day, I will be sharing in the description. You can do it today. I'm a little bit late in posting this video, but the guidance from the goddess is going to remain the same. So you can go through the guidance, and for today you can use moonstone for your meditation and for your prayers. So stay safe, and be very careful, because the COVID has again shown its action, and we all need to be very, very careful now. But by the blessings of goddess and good wishes from our ancestors, we will come out of this very positively. So let's hope for the best, and I end this video for today. I will get in touch tomorrow with you with the reading for the second day of Navratri. Till then, you guys take care, and please do not actually forget to subscribe my channel. And I am also on Instagram and Facebook, so do go and like my page there too. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.